how to handle images using openCV and Python. Let's start. Initially, I import openCV library. Its name as cv2. Then I create variable to read image. For reading images, we use cv2. It means openCV library. So we used as cv2 dot I'm read. Okay. Then we have to give the path. I used this path 1.jpg. It's already inside in images folder. Here I give the path images and 1.jpg. okay, then I already get my images into the CAP variable. Now I'm going to show this using im.show method. Initially I give cv2 dot imShow. First you can give any name for your window, then window name as a title. In the second parameter you have to give the variable name. Okay, after that I add wait key method to wait until next frame. Okay, I give 0 milliseconds because I want to show until I close it. Okay, that's why I give 0. If I give as 1, it's instantly pop out from it's it means it's instantly pop out. Okay, within 1 millisecond. Okay, I'm going to run this page. Okay, let's see. Okay, you can see this image. I give name as a title of this window, then it pop up as name. Okay, you can see this image. Now I'm going to flip. It means rotate. Flip this image. Let's see how to do. Okay, flip image variable. I use cv2 library, cv2 dot flip. Okay, in Mac you can see the parameters by using command and right click. Okay, in normal PCs you can use I think control and right click. Okay, right click, control and click. Okay, now I'm going to see the variables. First one is parameters. First one is source. It means the file name or image name. Then flip code. It means 0 or 1. Okay, let's try flip. I want to flip cap variable for 1. Second parameter is we don't need to use that. Okay, let's see what's going on. Okay, hope you can see this. Oh yeah, I didn't edit my variable name, that's why it gives same image. Okay, stop, then run. Here zebra, we flip this zebra image. Now zebra turn to the left side. Okay, let's see. Let's see another things. This one also same. Okay. Now I'm going to do different thing. Okay. I'm going to use rotate method instead of flip method. Okay. First one is capture variable. Then I can use rotate. Which one you need? Rotate clockwise, rotate lockwise, rotate 180, rotate. Okay, let's try this one, 180. Okay. Well, what happened? Yeah, it's rotate to the 180 degree. Okay, let's go to the other. Rotate 90. Let's see what happened. Sorry. Yeah, you can see the image. It's rotate to the, I think it's rotate 90 degree like clockwise. Okay. Then we can see other thing. CV two dot. Okay. Here the other image we can see. This one is rotate 90 counterclockwise. Okay. The right side, according to my hand, I want to write this image into the directory when this zebra turn into the left side. Okay, let's do this thing. Initially I want to check whether it's correct or not. Okay. Oh, rotate, not a rotate. Use flip. Okay, this is a zebra that I want to get. Let's try. I'm going to show image. Simultaneously I'm going to write same image into my directory. I use I am right. Let's see what are the parameters. File name, image. I'm right. File name, image. Okay. If the file image format is not supported, the image will be converted into the 8-bit. I'm right multi. Okay, let's try. I'm going to give a path. images, and I'm going to give a name, zebra. Then I give flip image. Let's try whether it is working or not. Okay, we can see some error. I'm right. Flip image, openCV modules, image coder. I am right. JPG. This is JPG. Let's try. Oh. Okay. You can see this image. Hope you gain some knowledge about how to handle images. This is basic knowledge. Let's see how to do some amazing things using openCV in future.